Gestures. Speaking without words. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of communication that often goes unnoticed. Gestures. Gestures play a huge role in how we express ourselves and understand others. So, whether you're learning English or just curious about nonverbal communication, this video is for you. Gestures are movements of the body, especially the hands and arms, which are used to express ideas or feelings. They're a form of nonverbal communication, and they can be as powerful as words. In different cultures, gestures can have different meanings. Some are universal, like smiling, while others can be quite specific to a region or culture. In this section, let's explore some gestures commonly used in English-speaking countries. For instance, nodding your head usually means yes, and shaking your head means no. A thumbs up typically signifies approval or agreement. It's fascinating to see how these simple actions convey so much. Here, we'll delve into how the same gesture can mean different things in different cultures. For example, the OK sign, made by connecting the thumb and index finger into a circle, is positive in some cultures but offensive in others. It's crucial to be aware of these differences, especially in our increasingly globalized world. Gestures can enhance your communication, especially when learning a new language. They can help convey your message more clearly and show your emotions. However, it's important to use gestures appropriately. We'll discuss how to balance verbal and nonverbal cues effectively. For English learners, understanding and using gestures can be an essential part of acquiring the language. They not only help in conveying messages but also in understanding the context and emotional tone of conversations. Let's look at some tips for integrating gestures into your language learning journey. And that's a wrap on our exploration of gestures. Remember, while words are powerful, the unspoken language of gestures adds depth and clarity to our communication. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English and understanding the nuanced world of nonverbal communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice those gestures.